Click on the link below to get price. The ARGENDON Commercial Dehumidifier with pump and drain hose is a powerhouse designed for efficient moisture removal in large spaces. Whether you're dealing with a damp basement, a commercial space, or a construction site, this dehumidifier stands out for its performance and versatility. One of the prominent features of this unit is its impressive moisture extraction capacity. With the ability to remove up to 90 pints of moisture per day, it ensures that the air stays dry and comfortable, which is crucial for preventing mold and mildew growth. This is particularly beneficial in high-humidity environments, as it helps maintain a healthier atmosphere. The built-in pump is a game-changer, allowing for continuous drainage. This means you don't have to worry about manually emptying the reservoir frequently, which can be a hassle, especially in larger areas. The included drain hose is easy to set up, enabling you to direct the extracted water to a nearby sink or drainage point without any fuss. Another significant advantage of the ARGENDON dehumidifier is its portability. With its sturdy wheels and compact design, you can easily move it from one location to another, making it ideal for various settings. Whether you need it in your home, office, or a temporary worksite, the mobility factor enhances its usability. Setup and operation are straightforward, featuring a user-friendly control panel that allows you to adjust settings with ease. The unit operates quietly, ensuring minimal disruption in your environment, which is especially important in office or residential settings. In terms of durability, the construction of the ARGENDON dehumidifier is robust, designed to withstand heavy use. The materials used are high quality, ensuring it can handle the demands of commercial applications. Overall, the ARGENDON Commercial Dehumidifier with pump and drain hose is an excellent investment for anyone needing a reliable and efficient dehumidification solution. Its combination of power, portability, and ease of use makes it a standout choice in the market.